Hello, welcome back to Unique Beauty. Today's topic, I'm just going to share with you how to cook the traditional soup, country soup, the light soup, the healing soup. You can use this with dry fish or meat or whatever you prefer. It's just simple to cook. Very good soup for healing this winter time. Yes, make it a bit spicy. That will get the corona out of your system straight away. Yes, thanks for watching. Welcome back. So as you can all see, it's just a simple recipe. This, yes, a called country soup. Yes, the traditional way I'm going to cook it. So you're going to need all these ingredients fresh. Everything has to be fresh. Yeah. So you're going to need your fish if you're using fish, because everything you add everything together, you see. So the fish has to be dry. Yes, the fish has to be really dry. So I've washed it before. Now I'm just going ahead now and split it in the middle to get everything out, what the bones, and then I will give it a rinse just for the sand in case it's if it has any sand, but it's not, because this is the expensive fish. It's really good fish. It's called kuta, by the way. The fish called kuta. I don't know any English word for that kind of fish, but it's kuta. Is really big. It's meaty fish. Yeah. So a friend of mine bought it from Cameroon. It's really nice of her to give me this kind of fish. Yes. So yeah, I'm going ahead now and rinse it out just in case for any sand. Like I said, yeah, if you're using meat, chicken, or any kind of meat you prefer, it has to be really dry, because that fish, when she gave it to me, I dried it again. I dried it like 2 days just for it to be really hard, because it's going to boil for almost like an hour, 30 minutes. You will be boiling in that pot. Yeah. So I'm just going ahead now and get all the other stuff ready. So I'm using half of the onions and half of the lake. Then tomato, I'll be using the three. The two, I'm putting it aside. Yeah. So you're going to need your garden egg, fresh okra, chili, and then the peanut butter. You need 1 full spoon like so. Yeah, because the soup has to be light. Some will cook it, they don't put peanut butter, but it's just down to you how you want it. Yeah, I like it with peanut butter, so I'm just gonna use small because we want the soup to be light. So there we go with the dry fish. Yeah, please, the fish has to be really dry, because that will be boiling for 1 hour 30 minutes in that pot. For those that are familiar to country soup, traditional way of cooking it, you put everything. Everything has to go, like the Maggi and then my mix seasonings going in. Yeah. So it depends to the size you'll be cooking. I just use like 4 Maggi cube and then 2 spoon of my mix seasonings. That is just the chili that I've blended. Yeah, because I don't want it to be like stew. It has to be really light. Yeah, so I'm leaving those other ingredients for later. So I'm going ahead now and add the boiling water. You can use cold water. Yeah, and then cover, leave to boil at least for 20 minutes. So I'm leaving it again to boil for a bit. So now it's almost like 35 minutes. So I'm going ahead now and add the peanut butter, because the peanut butter, if the water is cold, you add it, sometimes it brings like clumps. Yeah. So it's good when the water is boiled really hot. Yeah, then you go ahead and just put your peanut butter. So then I made a mistake. I've put the garden egg and the okra so early. So I end up took them off because they were overcooking. Yeah. So please excuse me there. Yeah, because usually when I cook it at home for our own use, I don't usually put those things. Yeah. So I took them off, so I'll leave them for later. So this is the best time if you want to put garden egg, okra. This is the best stage when the sauce is boiled, when it's you're about to take it off, like for 20 minutes or 15 minutes. Then you can add the okra and then the garden egg and then your prawns at that stage. Yeah. So this is it. It's about to finish now. This is how you cook the country soup. You just add everything and then leave it to boil. Yeah, so in Africa, usually the garden egg we use, they're a bit strong. They're not as this one, like these ones here, they're a bit soft. They cook so quick. The ones in Africa, they're a bit strong, so they boil for a bit. Yeah. So you see how the fish looks really chunky there. It didn't fall apart because that it boils for almost 2 hours, I'm telling you. Yeah. So now I'm cooking. I'm going to have this with rice and fufu. So the okra, this is how usually we have the okra. We boil the okra, then we mash it, then we add it into the cooked rice. Yeah. So this is pretty much how we have it. Yeah. So this is it. Then the fufu, it's ready. Everything is ready, guys. Look at that. It's so nice. Please, guys, I need to give you another tip as well for your hair. I want you guys to be watching the videos for the hair. It's very, very important when you're at home on this lockdown to know. I have the 5-step videos there on my channel. I'm trying to finish the other one so I can put it up, so that way you guys can able to care for your hair at home. If you're stuck, then you just text me on my WhatsApp number, then that way I'll be able to give you another tip for your hair. Please, guys, watch the videos. It's very simple. All you need to know is 5 steps. What works for your hair, how to wash your hair. They got the already made hair masks in the shop you can buy. You know, if you cannot make your own hair mask treatment, you can buy it from the shop with conditioner, because conditioner on its own cannot strengthen your hair. So you need the hair mask treatment. It's already made. They sell it in the shop like £3, £4, like so. You can buy that one for your hair. Yes, guys, so thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. I didn't even remind you from the start of the video, so please look at that. That's how we have it. Sometimes we use the bala, or we call it bala, or the okra. Very nice. Look at that with the rice. Thanks for watching. Please, guys, subscribe. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.